Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Digger Evans Model Railway and the next step in doing this Walthers kit build. We've done all the detailing on the window frames and the brickwork and stonework and stuff like that. And it was Stretch Limo, Stretch, who asked me about the mortar and saying, we need to do that if it's going to make it look better. And that's all very true. And so Stretch, I haven't seen him for a while, but if anyone sees Stretch, let him know that this video's on, because this is how I'm going to show you how I do the mortar lines, in between the brickwork, sometimes called the pointing and what have you, so that we can get on then and put it together and start doing other details. So this is how I do it. One method, there's a lot of methods, and I do use some other methods at some times, but this is the method I'm going for here. And if you look at False Bailey Railroad, Rick Bailey last night did a method which does work as well. I'm using life colour, and this is Dust Type 2. It's an off-white, it's not grey as you'd expect grey in the mortar, after it's been worn and dirty. And what I'm going to use is some of this, which is thinners, and it's acrylic thinners. So I'm going to drop some thinners into a little jar, a couple of drops, and then I'm going to mix it up. I'll put that there so you can see. I'm going to mix it up with this stuff, get plenty on the brush, mix it in so we've got a liquid, a very, very runny liquid, with some of the white stuff in there. And this, we're not going to do it all, don't worry, because that'll take 100,000 years, and that would make a dreadful video. Now you can do this, or you can not do this, and put a drop of thinners on here, and you see where it's going. It's spreading like a bushfire, is that thinners. And that is going to help me do what I'm going to do next, which is dab this stuff on. We're going to go, I have done a video showing this before, but we'll do it again. And lo and behold, it's capillary action, and you can see some going onto the full side of the bricks, making it look like an entire white brick. But don't worry about that. Digger knows what he's doing, and we'll see the end results, and see what you think when it's all done. It all depends, like I say, on what your plans are. Is it going to be a brand new pristine building, or is it going to have been there over 100 years and had several repaints, the mortar work renewed, repointed, etc., and it's faded in places and newer in others and all that type of thing. So this is all it is, and that's how we do it. Stretch, if you're watching, this is how we're doing the mortar lines, my old mate. And you can see there I've just rubbed that with my thumb, mortar lines, but not on the bricks. So there's several ways to do it, but I also want it to have a worn, tired, and been here too long and needs renewing look. And we will do that. We will achieve that. Right, so what happens next when you've done that? When you've done that, hopefully it comes away looking something similar to that. And now you're thinking, oh, that's white all over, that doesn't look too good. But when you put it in perspective and you add the other details, it's going to look okay, and that's what we're looking for. Now, it's by no means and by no stretch of the imagination is that finished in any way, shape or form, or ready for the next stage in any way, shape or form. But that's what we're looking for in each panel before we put it together, before we add any details. And what'll happen then is we can move on to doing other things once we've put it together, and then we need to darken it and put rain marks and all the rest of it. So it's a small part of the overall thing, but it does put the mortar lines in there, and that's how we do it. So that's all it is for now, this really quick video showing you the mortar lines, ending people's curiosity and wondering about it, and we'll get on with the next stage very, very soon. Thank you all for looking in. Great to have you all here. Thank you ever so much. I appreciate you all. Speak to you soon. Do take care, everyone, and bye bye for now, my friends.